Hi everyone, welcome back to another Mindful Monday, and today we're going to look at the very first opportunity that you have to be mindful, and that is how you wake up and get out of bed. However it is that you're laying, you want to go ahead and make your way to your back. Once you're there, we want to go ahead and give a little extra support to the base of your neck, and you can do that by pulling up a little on the lower part of your pillow. Okay, that'll take some of the stress off of the muscles in your neck, so especially if you slept a little weird or anything like that, you can go ahead and help that start softening before you try and get up and use those muscles for the day. You can have your legs either straight out or bent like this, with your knees just falling together. Arms can be out and open, especially if you tend to sleep on your side. Go ahead and go with out and open. Otherwise, you can just have them laying gently here. And we'll just take a few minutes and let our body really start to relax from any tension that we could have held while we're sleeping. Taking just a couple extra minutes right at the beginning of your day is a great way to allow yourself to be present going into your day, really feel everything around you, and also let any tension out so that you don't carry that with you as you get up. I hope you enjoy this and have a better way to start your day, and we will see you next Monday.